Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 15th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying this morning, if you are trading the 1 hour and below, I definitely would still be recommending shorts. A little bit sideways. We don't really know for sure whether this whole move down is going to be a pullback to this whole move up on the daily to 4 hour time frame range, or whether it's going to continue to make lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and just keep on trending down. My recommendation is to continue to look for shorts, and if it continues to make lower lows, lower highs while you're looking for shorts, that's great news. While you're looking for shorts, if it does decide to respect a Fibonacci level and then make a break or structure to the upside, that's when you would stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. Obviously, there's a big gap on all the yen pairs down here, and maybe it will go fill that gap. Maybe it won't. Sometimes gaps do stay open for a very long time, so I would be more worried about my Fibonacci levels to see if we do get a break to the upside at a Fibonacci level or not. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.